Hey everyone, we've got a Greenworks battery charger here. This is for the 60-volt batteries. Model number is CAC 801. Today we are going to replace the cooling fan. What's happening here is when I put the battery in, it always charges, but sometimes the fan doesn't come on, and I'm not getting a red arrow light or anything like that. It looks like it's charging, it's just no fan noise, and this piece here will become incredibly hot. Turns out this is a universal fan inside here, very easy to replace, and all you need is a T10 screwdriver bit, and that's the one with the security hole in it. This green lid will just lift right off. Here's the fan assembly. It just sits in the plastic track. To remove it from the board, just pull up. Here's a look at the part number. DFS402012H. I looked that up online and found plenty of places to get it from, most notably Amazon and eBay. I ended up going with eBay because I'm not in a giant rush for it, and it was the cheapest. It was just under $5 US for this fan. So we're going to take our new fan. Put it in its track. You want the wires on that side, obviously closest to where it goes in. Reconnect that. Give it a light tug. Make sure it's good. Then we can put the cover back on. Watch these fins here, they're going to go right through. There. We're done. That's how you change the cooling fan in your Greenworks charger for under $5. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.